Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your BMO bank account using your mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to log into your BMO bank account, open up your web browser, go to the address box at the top and type in www.bmo.com and search. You'll end up in the official website of BMO, which looks like this. At the left hand side corner, you should see a login button. Simply go ahead and enter your card number into the card number text box. Make sure to type it in correct. If you'd like the system to remember your card number, you can tap on Remember My Card. But if you're using a public device or a shared computer, make sure to uncheck the box. Now, type in your password into the password text field that is associated with your account. While typing in your password, always make sure to type it in correct. In case you don't remember your password, you can tap on Forgot Your Password link. Simply follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to reset your new password. Finally, after typing all of the informations in, tap on Continue and you'll be logged into your online banking account for BMO Bank. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll see you in the back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.